Hey, good morning, guys. It's January 4th. Snow day today. They canceled school yesterday, so we were able to sleep till 8. It's now about 8:35. It was supposed to start early this morning, and it didn't. Steven went out pretty early. But it started at probably about 7:30. I'll show you. This is what's happening. Very high winds. As soon as I woke up, I heard it hit the house, the wind. So we should definitely have a good storm. So we're staying in, hoping that the electricity doesn't go out. So I'm going to go. I got to edit. I didn't get much, I know, for Tuesday, Wednesday. And I'm not sure if I put up Monday either, so I might be adding them together. So I'm going to do that and then make us breakfast. So it's 9:30. The kids are doing Mario Kart. Emma finally got big enough and she's interested. She just started yesterday. She looks so cute. Those are her Minnie Mouse leggings from LuLaRoe. They're so soft and comfy. I gotta go get dressed. I'm in my pajamas. I just put up Tuesday and Wednesday's vlog. Let me go sit over there for a minute. I got the dishes done, unloaded, and then I put in the breakfast dishes. So we'll be all set to load it up and put it on tonight. I gotta go see what's for dinner tonight in my planner. So I know what to, prep and stuff, and the time I want to do it. Hopefully if we don't lose electricity. If not, we'll be having like probably cereal or something for dinner. But let's hope for the best. At least with this time, like if we do lose electricity, I can put like the important things in the snow outside on the deck, like the milk and stuff, and then any of the meat, Get out a cooler if I have to, fill it up with snow. No, you're really needy, Teddy. Like he comes up to me all the time and he barks because he wants me to play with him. Sit down. Like I can't play with the dog all day long, Like every time I sit at the computer, he'll bark at me and want me to play with him. But it's like I got things to do. Imagine if I was trying to make money through YouTube, which I wanted to, but it's not happening right now, and that's fine. And I enjoy it as a hobby. And it's like, what would he do? Like, what would I do with him? Like, 'cause it takes time for me, like, to handle him. But look at me, he's up my butt. As soon as I sit down, he wants me to play with him. And it's like, in a second I'm going to get up and go change and then probably go downstairs and clean and organize. So, I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know. 10:15, I thought I'd give it a shot. Because I want this, recorded for us to remember. It's a snowing. It's our backyard, our pool. And it's very windy out there. Like in the front. I was just over there. Oh, here comes a plow. I'm getting plowed.
Plow! Whoa!
I'm getting plowed.
Whoa! Dad, awesome.
Here they come. Daddy just started up again. He had sat for like 10 minutes, and now he's plowing. So you wait for it to build up. One swoop. Now he goes up, because we live on top of this hill, but then if you go to where we just went, on both sides of us really, there's hills again, up to the school where the kids go. So, yep, we're on hills. Guys, so it's about 11:30. I've been down here for about an hour, maybe a little more. I've been scrapbooking their first day of school pictures. So I had realized back a couple months ago that I had never printed up the first day of school for what was it? Emma in kindergarten and Ben in first grade. So I just did those, and now I'm doing this year's. Emma's second grade, Ben third grade, and Sebastian. So Sebastian was seventh grade before. And I just realized I didn't print up his first day of high school, which I know I took a picture of. Usually with him, it's not always the first day, whichever day he comes, like on the Tuesday or Thursday. So it's usually like a second day or a third day of school, something like that. But he doesn't mind. He wants that picture. So what I normally do is, if you haven't seen already, first we take a picture in the house right at the steps with my chalkboard. It'll say first day of, with their school bags. And this year, like Emma's lunch bag didn't fit in her bag, and then with Ben, he had too much in his school bag too. So we take a picture at the stairs, and then we'll take a picture outside at the front door with their bag on, holding the paper that says the grade. So we got that. And then Benjamin. So, and then I've done Sebastian, same thing. So, and then like on the first day with Ben and Emma, I'll have pictures. This is Emma, second grade, with her friends. This is another Emma. She's in my Girl Scout troop. They're in my Girl Scout troop. Those are twins. And then this is Harmony, her best friend that she's had since kindergarten. Like a week into kindergarten, they became best friends. And then I've got like her hanging out in line, waiting, over here, waiting. And this was adorable. As they went in, Harmony grabbed her hand, and they walked in together holding hands. Last year, they were not in the same first grade. She was in with the Emma. And this year, she's back with Harmony and Emma and her twin. Emma's a twin with a boy, and then these two girls are twins. They split these guys up this year, so the taller one's in Emma's class, the other one's with the other kids. So she's really, really happy that she's with Harmony this year, and so was Harmony. So I'm going to be doing these, and what I will do, I didn't even do right away, I went back and added some, was I got a sheet from, I think they're all over it. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby, where they have these stickers. You'll see. They're really cute. They even come with like these big long washi strips. So here, like, I'll fill it out. His name, his age, his teacher, so we remember, and then the school. And so I'll put one of each on the page. And it's great to look back, and this is all going to go in one album of the school. So, like, now I've gotten Sebastian's graduation from, like, the 5th grade ceremony. Not really a ceremony, celebration. And then 8th grade, we had a party for him. Steven went, which I got to print up. So that's what else I got to do. I got to print up his 8th grade little ceremony he had, and he got some certificates, an award for, like, great in science or something. So yeah, these are all them. All the school. So I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll go make some lunch upstairs. The kids played the video games, and now they're playing Playmobil up there. Kids just finishing up lunch. It's 12:15. We each had a slice of the meat pie from New Year's Day. It's French. My background. Which is great because it worked out. Emma had a smaller piece. Ben had a little bit bigger piece because he's a bigger boy. And Mommy had her bigger piece. And that was the rest. So I can clean up the pan and give it to Mimi. probably this weekend. And as you see wrappers, Ben had a piece of the apple pie, little drakes, and I'm having the last one, and Emma had a, what do they call them? Ring ding. It's over there. We gonna go call Mimi and Papa? No! Ooh, Mimi, he said it. 1:45. I just made him a fort. Figured for the... Easy, Emma. Let me see if I can lift that up a little bit. Hang on. They're getting blankets for their fort. Oh, and they got the little tent here for Maddie. We had gotten that at Goodwill, I think it was, for like $1 or $2. All right, easy on the sheet. Where are you going? Oh, over there. Okay.
Can we take a blanket and can we pin it there and it's like our secret hideout? Could we?
Yeah, I can do that. I'm a mess. It's just about 5 or 3. Around 2 o'clock, I took the dog out. I had old coats on, him on a leash, went to open the back door, and I couldn't open it. So I said, Emma, hold the dog. I had a shovel, made just a little area, and he did go pee. I was so proud, so happy. So then I'm like, you know what? Why don't I go try? Because he could be back by midnight, 1 a.m. We don't know yet. He's supposed to go to 10 o'clock tonight, and usually he stays out a couple hours after before he gets back. So, in case we have to take kids to school, and in case I have to work tomorrow, I don't want to see him or I be doing tons of snow with a snowblower. Check under the coffee table because I felt like something was under there. So I went and did that. So now I just came in, cleaned up their fort, and now they want to do a little bit more video games. For maybe like 45 minutes we'll let them do. So they got to find their remote and what they did with it. So I got to go help them. So they're playing their Wii game. What are we playing? Mario Kart? Yeah. Then they're going to do sports.
Yay!
So I'm going to go finish watching my show in my bedroom that I was doing from 1 to 2. So I got a nice easy dinner. It was going to be, and I bought 2 boxes figuring with Sebastian, but we're not having Sebastian today. These here, we're going to have sandwiches, and then I got Doritos to have with the kids. And if they want the rest of the veggies too, we have that. Broccoli and cucumbers. So yeah, I'm going to go in my bedroom. So it's 5:15. At about 4:45, the doggy needed to go out, and he did his poopies. It took him a little bit, but he did. So now I'm in. We're just talking to Steven, and the kids are talking to him now. He's all right. He's still plowing. I'm making dinner. Making a little pasta salad. I had a suddenly salad. And it actually worked out really good. I thought these had pork to shred to make pork sandwiches. I read the package wrong. They were pork ribs. And that totally would not have fed 5 people with Sebastian. So thank God it was a snow day. And so we're going to have those. I got a bag of Doritos. And then that's why I was like, well, let's do, instead of some veggies, we'll do a pasta salad on this nice cold day. Having another starch will be good. And then they want to watch a movie tonight. And I'll make some popcorn. We can cuddle on the couch. In our pajamas. I think I'll have them shower because I don't think they did last night. We already got the phone call. No more school tomorrow. Here she is, everyone. So it's now 7:20. So after we ate, they both took a shower. They had cleaned up their Playmobil that they were playing with, and they are now watching since 7 o'clock Planes by Disney Planes. So they're only going to watch it till 8, and then they're going to stay up with mommy till 9. So I got my shows on at 8, so they're having popcorn. And I am wicked excited because one of my favorite people in YouTube is Soda Pop Studio, Megan from Texas, and she finally put up a plan with me. She had found out she was pregnant in October, and we didn't get that video up. I forget when. I don't know if it was like in November sometime, the end of November, I think it was. But I've been dying for her to make a video, and I know I've been hearing from Instagram that she had the horrible flu and she can't take medicine. So I'm watching her plan with me and tell me all about her stuff. So very excited.